Tea is boiling, man. Yes, sir. Canteen Cup Tuesday, splitting wood. Have a little tea break. It's good, man. Splitting a little bit of wood. Gonna save the bark. Always save that bark, man. Putting some wood out here. Having a little tea. Nothing fancy, boys. There's gonna be some frying some fish tonight. But yeah. Splitting some wood there. I don't know if you can see it. Yes, sir. My two hermanos are taking the wood away, put it under the porch. But yeah, man, it's cool. There you go. Take it easy, man. Gotta go back to splitting some wood, man. All right. We're up in the ADK. Yes, sir. This is good. This is real good. And the hermanos are coming. Coming to get the wood. Yes, sir. Here we go. That's the hermanos. See? Say hello, hermanos.
Howdy. Hey, ¿cómo está?
Muy bien.
Muy bien. ¿Cómo
Yes,
están,
yes.
amigos?
Muy bien. ¿Cómo está tú?
Working hard here at
Tome
the,
cama. Guten Tag. Wie geht's?
I don't mention names. No.
But yeah, they're waiting on me now. I got some split. I got to keep splitting here, man. I got some wood.
Take a
Okay.
break.
All right. I'll be back. Geese flying over. You can hear them. Birds singing. It's nice, man. We're putting some wood here. We saved the bark too. Cool. Hey, it's Quinn the Eskimo. We're in the woods. I mean, it looks like there's nothing here, but we should have wore our snowshoes. Hit a bear spot in the open. It's kind of where we used to go hunting. The bears are out in the spring now, so you know, prepare for that. Stop for some water, but yeah, we get some red squirrels too. But we're just checking the area out, and you see what I'm talking about there. It's we didn't bring our snowshoes, but I mean it's dry right here. Then you go in the woods, it's snow. This side was all right. The other side we had abandoned. We just couldn't walk in there. It was too much. But I might do a video in the woods here, just cooking or something, but not right now. But yeah, you see, gets a little tough there. Gets a little tough. Yeah, I got my Swedish gaiters on, Swedish Mountain coat on, U.S. liner.
Pile of deer shit here.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, I see it. Yes, I see it. But yeah, we're taking advantage of a nice day. But we're doing okay, man. We're just checking things out. But pretty rough out here. We should have brought our snowshoes. We were in for a big surprise. We got our gaiters. You got big boots, though. We're good. So I'll get back to you and have some more water. It's in my pack. I had to take my pack off. I might cook out here later on, do a little video. But take it easy, man. It's Quinn the Eskimo. We're for a little walk out here in the woods. We should have had snowshoes. We did okay on this side. The other side we couldn't walk at all. Needed snowshoes. We didn't think we'd need them, but yeah, there's a lot of snow there. You can kind of see down there how deep that is down there. But got the other camera going. I think it's working now, but I use a little flint and steel and kind of get things going. I got my glasses on because it does get sunny here because of the snow. But I'm going to have hot chocolate instead of tea this time. The Canteen cup and a solo type stove. Yeah. But show you this little camelus knife. Very inexpensive, titanium. Takes a spark really well. I don't think I can show you. I'll show you after. But the back of it takes a spark great with the ferro rod. I'm going to use flint and steel right now with the other camera. But yeah, you know, some Land O'Lakes raspberry chocolate. Good stuff. Had it before. There's plenty of wood here. I have my little gas stove with me too, but we're going to use this. This is a solo. I call it a solo type stove. It's a knockoff of the solo, which I think solo is the best design for gasifier stoves. Canteen cup. And then I have a little adapter for the top. The newer solo stoves fit all kinds of things. This thing will fit right on top. Made that. So get down to it. I'll try the other camera. But yeah, we did walk out there. We saw some cat tracks, but not much deer sign right now. Not too much around. But I don't know. It's probably 0 degrees centigrade, maybe 32 degrees. If that, maybe less than that. Could be less than that. But yeah, got my gaiters, Swedish gaiters on. Glad I had them on. But I'll get back to you. Try the other camera. Okay. All right, this thing's ready to go for the hot chocolate. We're good. And got plenty of wood here for twigs sticking out of the snow off the trees. That's what we're using. Just keep throwing it in there. This will burn. This stove will burn. Hour and a half of wood pellets. I'm not talking just flame, but coals too. When you cook on a fire, use coals. Usable heat. Hour and a half. So, good stove, good design. Solo stove type. But yeah, we're just kicking back out here. And again, like I said in the other video, I'm not cooking food on there, not because I have a ton of food we're eating this afternoon. I don't want to ruin that. So I'm making venison stew. So, yeah, it's just a nice day out here. But, so I'm going to go turn the other camera on. Got my stuff. Raspberry hot chocolate. Excellent. Excellent. So it's beautiful out here, man. It's God's country. Good place. Just making the best of a beautiful day. About 32 degrees, about 0. Could be colder, I don't know, but there's no wind. It's nice. But, yeah. Get back to you. I'll turn the other camera on.